हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, द इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ सेमी कंडक्टर इंक्रीजेज व्हेन EM radiation of wavelength shorter than this is incident on it. The band gap in electron volt for the semiconductor. So all of you know the formula, right? The energy for band gap will be equal to SC upon lambda, or you can say like 12400 electron volt, right? You can say this is the energy of the band, right? Band gap energy, this, and you need to find in electron volt. So this is the energy here, band gap energy, electron volt, and this lambda in angstrom. See, so this is the formula, and this we have to apply here. So see, right, it is given 24, the lambda is given 2480 nanometer. Okay, so this can also be written like 2480 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter, or we can say like 2480 upon 10 into 10, right, multiplying and dividing by 10 here. So this will become 10 raised to power minus 9 meter, and this can be written like this 10 will go up and will become minus 1, and this will become, so this is coming 24800, right? I am associating this 10 with this and this 10 with this. Okay, this 10 with this, so we'll get here 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. So this is nothing but 2480 angstrom. All right, so I can put the value in this formula here. So this we will get here 12400 and 248, sorry, this is 00. Okay, see, you can see here 00. So 24800. Okay, and this is electron volt. Okay, so these two will get cancelled out, and you will see here you will get 1 upon 2 electron volt. So that is nothing but 0.5 electron volt. Okay, so see which option is matching. C, option C. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.